Section 1. The invisible bridge output. Devices and you. Think about it. Every interaction you have with technology involves an output device. Your phone screen, your TV, even the tiny blinking light on your smoke detector. They're all output devices, tirelessly translating the digital world into something you can understand. These often overlooked gadgets are the unsung heroes of the tech world, bridging the gap between complex computations and our human senses. But what exactly are output devices? In a nutshell, they're the communicators of the computer world. They take all those ones and zeros that make up digital information and convert them into something we can see, hear, or even feel. Without them, our computers would be like silent movie stars, all action and no voice. Imagine trying to navigate the internet without a screen to display the websites, or listening to music without speakers to pump out the tunes. It'd be like trying to read a book with your eyes closed. Utterly impossible. Output devices are the window to our digital lives, and understanding them is key to unlocking the full potential of technology. So, the next time you're scrolling through your social media feed or printing out a boarding pass, take a moment to appreciate the humble output device. It's working tirelessly behind the scenes to make the magic of technology accessible to us all. Section 2. Two flavors of output, soft copy versus hard copy. Output devices come in a dazzling array of shapes and sizes, but they can all be broadly categorized into two main types, soft copy and hard copy. Understanding the difference between these two is like knowing the difference between a whisper and a shout. Both communicate, but in vastly different ways. Soft copy output is temporary and intangible. It exists as fleeting patterns of light or sound, ready to vanish at the flick of a switch. Think of the images on your computer screen, the sounds from your headphones, or the vibrations of your gaming controller. These are all examples of soft copy output, delivering information in a transient but powerful way. Hard copy output, on the other hand, is all about permanence. It's the stuff you can hold in your hand, scribble notes on, or proudly display on the fridge. Printers, plotters, and 3D printers are the masters of hard copy, transforming digital data into physical objects you can touch and interact with. The type of output you need depends entirely on the task at hand. Need to quickly share a document with a colleague? Soft copy is the way to go. Want to frame a cherished photograph? Hard copy is your best bet. Each type of output has its own strengths and weaknesses, and knowing which tool to use is essential for navigating the digital landscape. So, whether you're streaming a movie, printing a presentation, or simply checking the time on your microwave display, remember that you're witnessing the magic of output devices in action. Section 3. From pixels to paper, exploring output variety. The world of output devices is vast and varied, with each device serving a unique purpose in our technology-driven lives. Let's delve into some of the most common output devices and uncover their hidden talents. First up, we have the ubiquitous monitor. From sleek laptops to curved gaming displays, monitors are the workhorses of the digital age. They translate the ones and zeros of computer language into the vibrant images and crisp text we rely on for work and play. Monitors come in all shapes and sizes, each tailored to a specific need. Next, we have printers, the masters of hard copy. These mechanical marvels take digital documents and transform them into tangible paper copies. From inkjet printers that spray ink onto paper to laser printers that use static electricity to fuse toner, there's a printer out there for every budget and purpose. And let's not forget about 3D printers, the new kids on the block. These futuristic machines can create physical objects from digital designs, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of output. But it's not all about sight. Speakers and headphones bring the world of sound to life, converting digital audio signals into the music, podcasts, and sound effects that fill our lives. From tiny earbuds to booming home theater systems, these devices enrich our auditory experiences and immerse us in a world of sound. Section 4. The Symphony of Senses. Output beyond sight. While visual and auditory output devices dominate the landscape, it's important to remember that our other senses can also be engaged in the digital world. From the tactile feedback of your phone's vibration to the immersive sensations of virtual reality headsets, output technology is constantly evolving to engage us on multiple levels. Braille printers, for example, create tactile representations of text, allowing visually impaired individuals to access and experience the written word. These specialized printers emboss paper with raised dots that can be read by touch, opening up a world of information and communication. Haptic feedback devices take tactile sensations to the next level. These devices use vibrations, forces, and motions to simulate the feeling of touch, adding a new dimension to gaming, virtual reality, and even medical training. Imagine feeling the rumble of an engine as you race a virtual car, or the subtle resistance of a scalpel as you practice a surgical procedure. All thanks to the power of haptic feedback. And let's not forget about the exciting world of olfactory displays. While still in their early stages of development, these cutting-edge devices aim to stimulate our sense of smell, adding a whole new layer of immersion to virtual environments and entertainment experiences. Imagine smelling the salty air of the ocean as you explore a virtual shipwreck, or the aroma of freshly baked bread as you learn to cook in a virtual kitchen. The possibilities are endless. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative output devices that engage our senses in new and exciting ways. The future of output is all about creating richer, more immersive experiences that blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Section 5. The future of output, innovation on the horizon. The world of output devices is constantly evolving, with new technologies emerging all the time. From holographic displays that project 3D images into thin air, to flexible screens that can be rolled up like a newspaper, the future of output promises to be even more immersive and intuitive than ever before. One exciting area of development is in the realm of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. AR overlays digital information onto the real world through devices like headsets and smartphones, while VR creates completely immersive digital environments. Both technologies rely heavily on advanced output devices to create believable and engaging experiences. Another area of innovation is in the field of biometric sensors. These devices can measure and interpret our physiological responses, such as heart rate, skin temperature, and even brain waves. While not traditional output devices in the sense of displaying information, biometric sensors can provide valuable feedback that can be used to personalize our interactions with technology. Imagine a world where your computer can sense your frustration and adjust its interface accordingly, or where your music player can create a custom playlist based on your mood. These are just a few examples of how biometric sensors could revolutionize the way we interact with technology in the future. The future of output devices is full of possibilities, and it's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast. As these technologies continue to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and immersive ways to experience the digital world. Section 6. Understanding output, your key to the digital world. In today's technology-driven world, understanding output devices is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we're constantly interacting with these devices, whether we're aware of it or not. By understanding how output devices work and the different types available, we can make more informed decisions about the technology we use and how we use it. We can choose the right output device for the task at hand, whether it's a high-resolution monitor for graphic design, a powerful speaker system for music production, or a 3D printer for prototyping new inventions. Moreover, understanding output devices empowers us to troubleshoot problems, optimize performance, and unlock the full potential of our digital tools. It allows us to communicate more effectively, express our creativity in new ways, and stay connected to the world around us. So, embrace the world of output devices. Explore the different types, experiment with their capabilities, and never stop learning. After all, the more we understand about these essential tools, the more we can unlock the magic of technology and harness its power to improve our lives.